morning, student. Today my topic is in the lesson number 2, food supplement for the children. Food supplement for the children nowadays. So food supplement are the product which intend to provide nutrients which otherwise are not consumed in sufficient quantity. These food supplement are generally vitamin, minerals, fiber, fatty acid, amino acid, herbals, product, oils, enzymes, animal organs, glandular extract, etc. Most of the people are able to get all important nutrients by taking varied and balanced diet. However, taking food supplement can provide additional nutrient when other diet is lacking or when certain health conditions cause to develop some deficiency. Okay. There are numerous advantages of food supplement for health and fitness. We should also be aware that taking too much or taking them for long period cause harmful effect on health. Nowadays, most of the parents remain under stress and tension thinking about their children's unhealthy lifestyle. We are well aware of the fact that fast food have become the favorite food of majority of the children. On the other hand, highly nutrient food really find place in the list of favorite food of children. This trend may lead to the growth and development problems. The main reason being lack of the proper nutrition. Okay. Parents have found a solution to this problem in the form of the food supplement. So it is essential for all of us to know about food supplement. Meaning of food supplement. Food supplement means a nutrient that is added to your diet to nourish your body as you are not taking this nutrient in adequate amount in your regular diet for supplements. Generally include vitamin, minerals, fibers, fatty acid or amino acid among other substances. These supplements may be in the form of the tablet. Okay. Tablet or powder which can be to water or milk for consumption. Need of food supplement for children. There is no doubt about the fact that food supplements play a vital role in the proper growth and development of children. Though it is not essential to consume food and supplement, but then that becomes necessary when there is a lack of nutritious diet. In fact, it can be said that food supplements are unnecessary if a child take a balanced diet regularly. Moreover, there are the various food supplements which have no practical effect. Okay. For example, food supplement like is the omega-3 fatty acid has been shown to be of no benefit for healthy children. It means that if a child take a balanced or nutritious diet, food supplement like omega 3 fatty acid has been shown to be of no benefit for healthy children. It is means that is a child take a balanced or nutritious diet regularly. There will not be any extra benefit for him in take a food supplement. Even some food supplement may prove to be harmful. A research study indicates that individuals who consumed vitamin E supplement has a higher risk of prostate cancer than individuals who did not consume vitamin E. Similarly, calcium supplement too has been found to put individuals at a greater risk of heart attack. Okay. In additional, food supplement may not contain all the nutrients that is a child needs. Ideally, kids should get their vitamins from a balanced, healthy diet that includes number 1, milk and dairy product like cheese and yogurt, preferably low fat product for kids over age 3. Number 2, plenty of fish, fresh fruit and leafy green vegetables. Number 3, protein like chicken, fish, meat and eggs. Whole grain. Number 4, whole grain like still cut oat and brown rice. Number 5. Okay. Number 5 is the kids who are not eating regular. Well, balanced milk, made fresh fruit, fresh whole food. Number 6, frequently eaters who simply are not eating enough. Number 7, kids with chronic medical conditions such as asthma or digestive problems. especially if they are taking medications. Be sure to take with your child doctors first before starting a supplement if your child is on medications. Number 8. Kids eating a lot of fast food, convenience food and processed foods. Okay. Number 9. Kids on a vegetarian or a vegan diet, they may need a iron supplement, a dairy free diet. They may need a calcium supplement or other restricted diet. Number 10 points. Kids who drink a lot of carbohydrate sodas, which can leak vitamins and minerals from their bodies. Number 11. Vitamin A promote normal growth and development, tissue and bone repair and healthy skin, eyes and immune responses. Good sources include milk, cheese, egg and yellow to orange vegetables like a carrot, yam and squash. Okay. Next point. Point number 12. Vitamin B5, the family of B vitamins, B2, B3, B6 and B12 adds metabolism, energy products, production and healthy circulatory and nervous systems. Good sources include meat, chicken, fish, egg, milk, cheese, beans and soybeans. Soybean very important for the child's age to 3 to 18 years. Number 13 point. Vitamin C promotes healthy muscles, connective fluid, promote healthy muscles, connective tissues and skin. Good sources include citrus food, strawberry, kiwi, tomato and green vegetable like bronchies. Number 14. Vitamin D promotes bone and tooth formations and help the body absorb calcium. Good sources include milk and fatty fish like salmon and the mackerels. The best sources of vitamin D is the sunlight. Mackerels. Next point is the calcium help build strong bones as a child growth. Good sources include milk, cheese, yogurt, tofu, soybean products, tofu and calcium fortified orange juice. Number 18. Iron builds muscles and is essential to healthy red blood cells. Iron deficiency is a risk in adrenal efficiency for the girls once they being the menstruated. Good source include red meat, turkey, pork, spinach, beans and the and prunes. Prunes. Okay. This is related of the need of food supplement for children's. The next point and last point is the advantage of the food supplements. What is the advantage of the food supplement? Overcoming deficient nutrients. Number one, food supplement help to overcome deficient nutrient, thus fulfills the body needs. Number two, improve performance. Their product help to improve performance, efficiency, weight training and sports performance. Number three, easy available. These products are easy available from medical stores. Food supplement. Okay. Disadvantage of the food supplements. Number one, less healthy. The food supplement may provide benefit but researches on the prove that they are less healthy than natural diet for food. Thus, balanced diet is the best food. Number two, side effects. This dietary supplement cause advice side effect over healthy of individuals like excess of calcium affects kidney stones, excess or iron cause vomiting, headache, etc. Number three, synthetic products. Food supplement is a synthetic product. The disadvantage, most of these products are synthetic or chemical. However, long uses of these food supplements may cause cancer. Okay. Number 4 point, unknown risk. Prolonged uses and excessive taking of food. This food supplement is often harmful for the body and develop unknown and unexpected risk our health and individuals. Number 5 point is the disadvantage. Expensive. This food is a very expensive. The food supplement. These food, the products are more expensive than natural food. Moreover, they have the less nutrition value than fresh fruit and vegetables. Many instructions with the food supplements. These products require many instructions for these uses which are difficult to be followed properly. Okay, complete the topic of the food supplement, advantage and disadvantage, calorie chart, and the next is the calorie chart of the commonly used in Indian food. What is the calorie chart? In a calorie chart, snacks, samosa, kachori, pakoda, dahi vada. This is the calorie chart. Apple, banana, orange, onion, lemon, potato, milk, cheese, yogurt, double chicken, butter chicken, cheese biryani, mixed vegetable curry, chapati, paratha with rice, white rice, gulab jamun, laddu, barfi, Coca-Cola, orange, juice, tea and milk and sugar. This is the calories gain food. In a samosa, in a one piece, 308 calories. Pakoda, one piece, 14 calories. Dahi vada, one piece, 109 calories. This is a calorie chart of commonly used in Indian food. The related to for all persons, the calorie chart of food. Apple, one piece, 72 calorie. Banana, one piece, 105 calories. Orange, one piece, 62 calories. Onion, one piece, 4 calorie. Onion, one piece is a 4 calorie. Lemon, one piece, 7 calories. Give the 7 calories to your body. Potato, one piece, 110 calories. Milk, 1 cup, 103 calories. Cheese, 1 slice, 96 calories. Yogurt, 1 cup, 243 calories. Butter chicken, 1 serving, 250 calories. Cheese biryani, 1 serving, 386 calories. Mixed vegetarian curry serving, 145 calories. Chapati, 1 piece, 120 calories. Paratha, 1 piece, 260 calories. White rice, 1 cup, 204 calories. Gulab jamun, 1 piece, 178 calories. Laddu, 1 piece, 110 calories. Barfi, 1 piece, 125 calories. Coca-Cola, 335 milliliters, 160 calories. Orange juice, 100 ml, 447 calories. Tea and milk and sugar, 1 cup is 40 calories. To complete your Indian food chart according this book. And the last topic is a very important for the precautions while taking food supplements. Okay, do it in the copy. The complete my lesson number 2, my side, and give the good performance video from you. The complete your work in the lesson number 2, revision 1 to 9 in your copy, and I will see the open the schools. So some questions are related for the exam. Question are important question, the long question. Describe the meaning of balanced diet. Revision 1 to 9. What is the importance of the balanced diet? Explain the role of the what do you mean by food intolerance? How energy requirement of the individual and calculated? Describe the role of the diet on the performance. The second question. Next question, discuss the advantage and disadvantage food supplement for the children. Justy and his 6 myths about diet. Explain the eating habit and control weight. In sports such as the boxing, and the very important question, in sports which is boxing and wrestling, the players tend to lose weight suffering. Explain the pitfall of the diet. And 3 marks questions. Number 1, describe the meaning of the function of the balanced diet. Very important. Give the importance of the balanced diet. Number 3 questions, highlight the role of the macronutrient in our diet. Mention its sources. Number 4 questions, describe the functions of the protein in our diet. List down its sources. Explain the role of the fast. Why excessive fat are the harmful. Mention in shorts. Number 6, mention micronutrient and their functions. Number 9, give the importance of the minerals for our body. Number 10, write note a food supplement for the children. These questions are very important for the exam. Lesson number 2, sure they will come in the exam, board exam. So for the very important chapters, and complete my topic is the lesson number 2. Saturday is the off, बिकॉज सैटरडे को मैं वीडियो नहीं बना पाऊंगा क्योंकि इंडिपेंडेंस डे है 15 अगस्त को। उस दिन नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मैं आऊंगा तो ट्यूसडे वाली क्लास में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे, नया टॉपिक शुरू करेंगे। और बेस्ट ऑफ लक स्टूडेंट एंड हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।